Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. So today's video I'm gonna show you this green half cut crease kind of eye and this makeup look. So if you wanna know how I got this look, then keep on watching. I already did my eyebrows, so for today's eye look I'm using two eyeshadow palette, one from Beauty Bay Bright Matte eyeshadow palette and another from Makeup Revolution Life on the Dance Floor palette. Now I'm going to take this yellow shade from Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette and I'm going to blend it all over my crease. And then I'm going to using this lime green shade from Makeup Revolution palette and blending all over my crease. And then I'm taking this green shade from Beauty Bay palette and I'm going to softly blend it my crease area just like I did with the lime green shade, but just a little bit lower so you can still see that lime green shade. Then I'm picking this dark green shade from Makeup Revolution palette and I'm press this shade in my outer V. Then I'm using my Maybelline Master Conceal and I'm going to create half cut crease. And then I'm taking this lime green shimmer shade from Makeup Revolution palette and apply on my lid. For the eyeliner, I'm using Makeup Revolution Renaissance Fleek eyeliner. And for the mascara, I'm using Kohl and Hole mascara from Essence. And for the lashes, I'm using Ardell Demi Wispy lashes. And now moving to my face, and for the moisturizer, I'm using my Lumen Nordic Gold from Lumen and apply all over my face. And for the primer, I'm using Maybelline Baby Skin, I guess. Now I'm using my Huda Beauty Faux Filter foundation and blending with my Real Technique beauty sponge. For the concealer, I'm using my Maybelline Master Conceal and I just go ahead and apply to my under eye and little bit on my forehead and blending with my same Real Technique beauty sponge. And now time to contour, and for the contouring I'm using Makeup Revolution foundation stick and my shade is F13. Now I'm taking Rimmel Stay Matte powder and apply all over my face. Then I'm taking Bahama Mama bronzer from Balm and contouring to my cheekbone and forehead, and also I'm contouring my nose. And for the bronzer, I'm using my Makeup Revolution bronzer and bronze my face. And then I'm taking Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice Blush Palette, and I'm mixing these two shades and apply on my cheek. Now my favorite part, highlighter here, and for the highlighter I'm using my Makeup Revolution Supreme highlighter in gold and highlight my face. This highlighter is so good. Now for my last line I'm using same lime green shade from Makeup Revolution palette, and this green shade from Beauty Bay palette. I'm using Revolution Pro highlighter palette and I just highlight my inner corner. Now I'm lining my lip. And for the lipstick, I'm using Essence Color Boost Liquid Lipstick in 01 Dusty Romance. And for the gloss, I'm using Essence Plumping Nude Gloss in the shade 02 Big Softy. And I just apply center of my lip. So last but not least, I'm using my setting spray from LA Girl and I'm going to set all my makeup. So this is the complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So see you in my next video. Bye bye.